Have you ever wondered how such tiny electronic devices are able to create complex calculations out of simply electricity? Hi, my name is Lubin Papalardo, and I created a digital logic simulator. Digital Logic Sim is an open source website whose goal is for you to learn and experiment with the logic that makes computers. You can manipulate logic gates and try combinations to create more and more complex components. It may be used for anyone learning electronics, or just curious about how the device you're watching is on function. This website is made of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, using the jQuery plugin to simplify and gain time on DOM interactions. This means that this app is nothing else but pure static HTML with no framework and no server, entirely processed on your device. Okay, let's take a closer look at it. You first have a panel on your left with all the controls and a library of components. Behind it, you have what we'll call the board, or workspace. It defines the space you have for your creations. Alright, now let's try to make a circuit that takes two inputs, A and B, and returns true. 1 if A is 1 and B is 0. First, grab two switches, which will represent A and B, and a light for the output. Now, what you want is to pass A and the inverse of B through an AND gate. So grab an AND and NOT gate. Connect A to the first pin of the AND gate and then B to the NOT gate, and the output of that to the second pin of the AND gate. Finally, connect the output of the AND gate to the light and done. To turn on a switch, you can either right-click, double-click, press the Enter key on it, or use the Activate button while selected. Let's go down the panel. You can clear everything if you feel you messed up, and download your work to your device and upload it later. But one important thing to know is that the website will automatically save your work in the browser cookies. Continuing, you might come across the clock options. For every X milliseconds, a function is called and processes the circuit you made. These controls are a way for you to slow down the clock or even stop it to see step by step what is going on. And that's about it. There are still a lot of things I would like to add to this project, such as circuit embedding, for example. This is why I wouldn't say the app is complete, but for now I think that this project turned out pretty good. The website is supported on mobile, but I will recommend it using either on PC or laptop. You can access it here and check the open source code at my GitHub. Both links can be found in the description. And that's all, thank you for listening.